Now I'm going to talk about character styles and how you can reuse your text styles in your whole document. Okay. Now, right now I am in this assets tab, which is over here. Okay. So you are going to press this one and you are going to come to this assets. So everything in your assets tab, whether they are colors, character styles or symbols, they are global. So if you change something over here, it is going to be reflected in all your artboards. Okay, so let me illustrate the example of character styles and how we can add few. This is my heading. Okay, so I have created a heading. Let's change its color to something else like this one, and I'm going to create it in a paragraph, and let's move it in 2 lines like this. Okay, so this is my heading, and then I'm going to create a paragraph over here. Use regular. Okay, so this is my paragraph. Okay, and also I'm going to change its color to something else. Maybe I want some light gray black color over here like this one, rather than pitch black. Okay, so just to differentiate between my heading and my paragraph. Okay, so this is my paragraph. Let's add another link. Okay, so how my links will be: click here to move on. Okay, so this is my link. I am going to use color, which is this one, for this link, and I'm going to use an underline. Okay, so this is my link, this is my paragraph, this is my heading. Now what I'm going to do is I want them all to be in my character styles. Okay, so I'm going to select all of them and going to right click and add character style. Okay, so now you can see we have 3 styles. It is showing me the font name. I have used this Segoy UI, and also different sizes and colors: 48 point, 20 point, it is a bit dull gray, it is a dark blackish color, and then we have this one for our text links. Okay, now let me show you what is the power of this. Okay, so I'm going to press Alt or Option, and I'm going to duplicate this to another artboard. So we have now 2 artboards. Okay, so I'm going to change it to something else. Okay, now what we are going to do is we need to change the color of these headings simultaneously. Okay, now we can do it from over here on these character styles. Right click, edit, and I am going to use something else like this one, and I'm going to use some other color. Maybe I want this color, or maybe this color. Okay, now you can see how I instantly changed all the character styles, which is basically my font styles, and they are global. So if I change it in one area, it is going to be changed everywhere else. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, so if I want to change my paragraphs, okay, so where is my paragraph? I think this is my paragraph. I'm going to edit its color. I want it to be more dull gray. I can change the color from here. Now you can see I have changed its color to dull gray, and I can also change other settings. So if I want to change the font or the spacing, everything is going to be changed. So if I want italic over here and I want the spacing to be, line height to be 28, I can change it from here. Okay, so this is very handy. You can change anything instantly across all your different artboards. Okay, so if you have like 20 artboards or screens and you want to change the heading, you can do it instantly. Okay, it is going to save you tons of time. So this is how you use these character styles. You can add them and you can delete them from here. You can also delete one's text character style. And this is how you use these power of character styles in Adobe XD. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Let's move on to the next lesson.